Introducing the Pop-Up Pod by GigaTent. It's an instant and private changing room designed for families and outdoor enthusiasts on the go. It's perfect for use in the great outdoors. It's lightweight, sturdy, and easy to set up. The Pop-Up Pod has a double zippered door flap that provides total privacy wherever you are. Durable nylon loops keep the base on the ground, while accompanying guy ropes can help keep the tent secure even in inclement weather. Take it camping to use as a changing room, camp toilet, and more. To collapse the tent, first lay it on the ground. Bend the sides to form a U shape. Grab the bottom of the U and fold it in on itself. Then collapse the top. With the included carrying bag, you can quickly and easily be ready to go on your next adventure.